I'm going to put a piece of tungsten in front of the flame. And as you can see, that's about 3 inches away and it's vaporizing it. Let's get even further away. Yep, 4 inches away. Heats it to 10,000 degrees. What a lovely torch. No carbon. Exhaust is water. An idea of how long this flame really is. Come over here. Now I've got a piece of wood about foot away. That's it, it's a pretty long flame. Now, let's come around here and heat this steel. It pulls it into liquid, melting it together. Let's see what it does to this nickel. Melts it into a pool and welds it right to the ceramic. Hits ceramic about 4 inches away, it immediately takes up to 5,000 degrees. How about steel and ceramic? Look at that. Is that cool or what? Oh baby. Not too shabby. Putting it dark a little bit so we can see this flame a little bit better, because for the most part a lot of the flame is colorless because it's in the ultraviolet range, since there's no carbon involved. Okay, and of course this noisy little unit right here is what's producing all that gas. This is my newest unit. It's a double. My other units are singles, but they put out a tremendous amount of gas also. They come with a torch. There are 3 versions of these. And then there are the heaters. One there and one there, 2 of them. And this unit is for, believe it or not, diesel. Put this in your boat. Watch you save mileage in your fishing boat. Or put it in your tractor trailer. Puts out a lot of gas, and it's already set up in a plastic compartment, built-in everything. Okie dokie. That's all for now.